Whenever investment is made, it leads to an increase in income by multiple times. And that is what is meant by multiplier. And it is based on the simple fact that if someone spends, it becomes someone else's income. But how it works exactly, one has to understand. And one needs to comprehend it, simply because such investment has its impact on income, output, demand. And on that basis, fluctuations in aggregate demand, if occurs, can be managed. On that basis, fiscal and monetary policies can be designed. And on that basis, whether it is business, individual, or government, can make further investment plans. So it is important to understand how the multiplier works in an economy. Let's understand. Hello everyone. Welcome to our ECOSTUDYS channel. I am Poonam Vohra, your instructor from Macroeconomics Learning Center, bringing 28 years of dedicated CBSE teaching experience. We are releasing series for our 4 subjects to give you an insight of the offered courses on our website that will enable you to prepare well and score well in your CBSE and CUET examination. Before we jump onto the concepts, if you haven't already, then hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you do not lose out on any of our free, valuable videos. And if you like the content, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Follow us on our Instagram and Facebook page. Now, let's get started. Multiplier. It is defined as the increase in national income as a multiple of given increase in investment. That is, K is equal to delta Y divided by delta I. For example, suppose an additional investment of rupees 4,000 crores in an economy generates an additional income of rupees 16,000 crores. Then multiplier would be 16,000 divided by 4,000, which is 4. It implies that income increased 4 times with the simple increase in investment. One needs to understand that there exists direct relation between MPC and multiplier. Higher is the marginal propensity to consume, more will be the value of multiplier and vice versa. This concept of multiplier is based on the fact that one person's expenditure is another person's income. When investment is increased, it also increases income of the people. People spend a part of increased income on consumption. However, the amount of increased income spent on consumption depends upon marginal propensity to consume. In case of higher MPC, people will spend larger proportion of their increased income on consumption. In such a case, higher will be the value of multiplier. But in case marginal propensity to consume is low, people will spend lesser proportion of their increased income on consumption, and value of multiplier will be comparatively less. Here is an algebraic explanation of the relationship between multiplier and MPS or MPC. Y is equal to C plus I, everyone knows that. Delta Y would be equal to delta C plus delta I. Now dividing delta Y on both sides, one gets delta Y by delta Y is equal to delta C by delta Y plus delta I divided by delta Y. This is nothing but 1 is equal to delta C by delta Y is MPC. Delta I by delta Y is 1 by K. So by reorganizing, you get K is equal to 1 over 1 minus MPC. And it is known that 1 minus MPC is equal to MPS. So multiplier is equal to 1 by MPS. That is, marginal propensity to save has inverse relation between with multiplier, or there exists direct relationship between marginal propensity to consume and multiplier. To learn more, visit our website and enroll in our courses to master the concepts in economics. You will find more than 300 lecture videos aligned with the latest recommendations of CBSE curriculum. And with our current introductory offer, you can enroll in each of the course for just rupees 999. So seize the opportunity and join before the introductory offer expires and score high grades in CBSE examination as well as in CUET entrance examination. Like, share and subscribe to EcoStudies channel. Also drop a comment. See you in the next session for another concept. Thank you.